I'm going to show you how to go ahead and log into xtramath. What you need to do is go up in the top of the browser up here and type in xtramath. And we're going to click xtramath. And you're going to click sign in, and then as a student. So I'm going to let you use my email for you to be able to sign in as a student. So you'd put in chelsea.kingsley at, and this is my school email, so you're going to have to pay attention, sdhc.k12.fl.us. Then you put your first name in, and you put in your PIN that I sent to you on your EDSB account. You have to make sure to put your PIN in. If you put in someone else's PIN, then you're going to sign up as somebody else, and I won't know who you are. Remember, this is for like fun, fact fluency of like adding really fast, subtracting really fast, and getting you ready for 3rd grade. So please make sure you're trying to do it daily. Thank you, and let me know if you have any questions.